When someone says, "Hey, how's the head?" they don't realise just how complex a question that is. Your mental health is never affected by just one thing. A whole range of factors contribute to your sense of well-being. Your relationship with your family and friends, how you're doing at school or work, the conditions of your immediate environment, your physical fitness, or whether you have recently suffered a bereavement. Another misconception is that mental health issues only affect a certain type of person, whereas actually they affect everyone. For anyone experiencing mental health issues, there is help out there for everyone. Do you need someone to talk to?